So now we need to understand a new concept in 3D design, which are called blocking outs. These are two chairs, but blocking out these two chairs are completely different. So blocking out in general is dividing complex objects into simple ones, like this chair into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cubes. Basically, this is the same as this one. And yes, this is what we call blocking out. We took a very complex shape and made it a simpler one. As you see, I did not use anything else than blocks or cubes. Every 3D object or any object in our universe could be divided into circles, cubes, and triangles. Beside curves, everything should be easily modified and blocked out. We do this method for 3 reasons: retopology, planning for our reference, and UV mapping. Of course, blocking out one thing could be different from other things like this chair, because this has much more curves, much more circles, and much more cylinders. The step after blocking out is only adding details, then optimization, then UV mapping and materials, and then importing it into your game engine. What's the problem? Let's say you have a video game. Which chair would you use? The office one or the wooden chair? Exactly, you would use according to the scenario. This thing would go on a table and this could go in an office. When designing objects for a video game, you need to know the story behind it. Especially for important objects in your game, you need to understand what makes this object like that. The office one has many modification parameters because people in office spend more time sitting down and stay a long time on these chairs. So to make people comfortable at work, it was designed to be more healthy and easily modified. This complements its complicated design. But going to the wooden chair, it's like this because of an artistic view. People don't sit long on a dinner table, so it does not need to be comfortable after long hours of sitting. Need to be stable, stylish, and not complicated in the look. That way it looks simpler and look thinner, not bulkier. So, understanding why the object was that from the reference image would help you in 2 things: where to build the object and how to design it well. So now we have 3 new concepts: understanding your objects by dividing them into cubes, triangles, and circles, blocking out your objects, and understanding the behaviors and understanding the story behind your objects for better usage and design. This is an important thing to understand while 3D designing because it is the thing that makes your design unique and stylish.